This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use card offers on Flipkart. Open the Flipkart app, tap Payments, then Card Offers to view bank and card deals. Enable cashback or instant discount options before checkout. Compare EMI and instant discount offers for the best savings. Note minimum spend and eligible cards and apply the selected offer at payment. Keep a backup card if first offer fails. Track rewards in app wallet history. Start by checking bank-specific weekdays and festival offers for higher discounts and cashback. Use cards with added reward rates and combine bank EMI discounts where allowed. Watch for coupon stacking rules and minimum spends to avoid surprises. Save screenshots of terms for customer care reference. Use secure networks and confirm OTPs during payment. Track cashback timelines and escalate with support if credits don't appear within stated period. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more saving tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy shoppers, with voice control and smart mapping that keeps floors spotless between unboxing new purchases. It saves time so you can hunt more deals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Also tap the bell to not miss exclusive card offers. Now let's get back to the video. At checkout, choose card payment and select the applicable card offer from the list. The discount should show under Order Summary. If EMI is selected, verify tenor and processing fee before confirming to protect savings. Apply any Flipkart coupons first, then card offer if stacking allowed. Review final payable amount and save the order confirmation. Contact bank support for declined offers and keep screenshots of errors and note cashback credit dates in your calendar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.